Yo, what is going on, Bruce Landers? That's a joke because my kids, they watch the this Jurassic World cartoon, Camp Cretaceous, and there's this girl that says Bruce Landers, so I just figured I'd be like, hey, what's going on, Bruce Landers? So inside joke. Anyway, if anybody gets that comment, let me know if y'all watch that show too, because I'm actually into it. But anyway, this is an update on the Mustang. I had a friend come out here and do a little bit of cleaning up in my yard and totally exposed that Mustang. So here we go. Look at it. Cleaned up the yard, extended my land, everything. Totally just cleaned it up. And now you can see the Mustang good. Come walking out here. Just look at it. Totally exposed to Mustang. I still have dreams for it, but gonna take time and money. I realized that this rear bumper is kind of bent because I was looking at the tail lights the way it was looking. It's not aligned up perfectly. But there's the bumper. It kind of twists like this, as you can see. This is it. 64 fastback Mustang is what my wife's cousin said it is when he found the VIN number. So I would love to have this thing on the road and just drive it. It looks awesome. The trunk, there is no trunk, so I'm going to have to do something about that. But the shell is still in good shape. But he cleaned up the yard good. I mean, look at all this. Just everything cleaned up. Extended the property. I'll take y'all for a walk on the property after I get some shots of the Mustang. Yeah, that bumper right there is kind of flared out. Beautiful Mustang. Wish I could have seen it in its heyday. So here's my property. Everything, it looks so good. It's still got to go out there with my tractor, bush hog some stuff down, kind of get it flat and level. Then I gotta get the scraper and kind of smooth some areas out. Oh, slipped on mud. Oh, there's some deer marks. A deer has come out here recently. So it's all the way back here. So yeah, this is it. That's my property. Everything that got cleaned up. So yep, that's it. And I'm gonna show y'all my tractor. It's an old tractor, about a 1942 tractor, Ford. It's kind of muddy out here too. Man, it rained pretty good out here yesterday, so it's can't wait to show y'all my 5-foot-long rat snake that we have just living wild back here. But this is my tractor, y'all. Old. Whoa, that's a huge banana spider on the steering wheel. Old 1942 tractor. Yeah. All right, so that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Bruce Landers. All right, but anyway, hope y'all have a blessed day. I'll catch y'all next time.